I'm Michelle Mosenin, one of the Embase product managers. I'm super excited to share that ClinicalTrial.Gov data has been added to Embase. Now, what is ClinicalTrial.Gov data? The National Library of Medicine maintains the website to collect, organize, and make available biomedical data. Think of it as a library of clinical research studies. Sponsors and investigators submit their study information and keep the records up to date. Each record includes the study name, description, disease or health problem, including participant information and what researchers have learned from the study. And that's so that patients or healthcare professionals can find studies that patients can join, and researchers can help identify unmet needs and better understand research. Now, let me show you ClinicalTrial.Gov. Now, if I wanted to search on Alzheimer's disease, I would see all of these different terms on Alzheimer's, and I would need to search each one. The reason that so many terms show up in the ClinicalTrial.Gov dropdown is because they don't have a taxonomy. So you can't search by a single preferred term. Now, let's see how easy that is to do on Embase. Here I can search on Alzheimer's, and I have all of these different variations, but I can search on just one preferred term of Alzheimer's using Embase's Emtree taxonomy to find all the possible terms that can be found, which results in me not missing any trials that I may have missed on ClinicalTrial.Gov. And this gives me the ability to see the available literature also, and also be able to easily filter out if I just want to see the ClinicalTrial.Gov information. And we can see a nice visual here of all of the source data, or going into publication type and being able to search on ClinicalTrial.Gov data. Now let's check the record to see the information. Here you're able to see the title of the clinical trial, as well as a brief summary that's describing the trial, and then also a detailed description. And then along with the Emtree terms that are relevant for this clinical trial, such as keywords from conditions, interventions, and treatments. And then also to have the clinical trial as the publication type, and as well as the source of indexing. Embase provides value, lessening the time in searching multiple platforms, deduplicating the results, connecting the articles about the trials, also providing consistent searching by using Embase's Emtree taxonomy. And this data can be exported to a citation manager along with your Embase results. Thank you for watching this video. Follow us on LinkedIn and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, and feel free to contact your personal Embase customer consultant or contact me with any of these, and you can use any of these QR codes. Thank you.